So those are the top two screws to be removed. So that one and that one. Okay, they happen to be Torx screws. So we remove them. So the element is this one. This is the one that we have removed. So you need to unplug this and this. Yeah, this is for the top one, the grill. That's the grill connections. And that's the fan. So we take these two off. That's it, this is out. This one's out. Now we push this a bit and we take it out from this side. That's it. Element's out. Replace with a new one. Okay, so there's the new coil. Right, put this in. Stick this in. Stick this in like this. That's it. That's it. Now we tighten it on the other end. No, we put two screws. Right, so we connect this. Blue, where the original one was. That's the white one. That's it. That's it. That's the end of the connection. Now switch on and see if it works.